Hi, I'm Grace, and I'm a liar. But before that, please like and subscribe. When I was little, my mom worked for this rich woman who was the third cousin of the daughter of the king of... Oops, I forgot. Mom and I signed an NDA, so I really can't say which country or what king. Anyway, the rich woman had a fabulous life. Then suddenly, something strange came over me, and the most unexpected words just fell out of my mouth. Hi, everyone. I'm Grace, and I'm an heiress to the throne of...
Due to the privacy of the royal family, we cannot...
Jeez, can we skip the legal mumbo-jumbo and get back to the story? Now, where was I? Oh yeah, everyone in class stared at me like I was a unicorn. I'm sorry, memes. And I came clean to everyone at school. After my truth was revealed, I wasn't popular anymore, of course. I was even mocked and branded as a liar.